The rainbow has always been a bit of a mystery. Its colours change from red and orange at the outside, via yellow and green, to blue, and finally violet at the inside. The colours are always in this same order. Let us now look at the painting Landscape with Rainbow, painted by the great Flemish Baroque painter Peter Paul Rubens in 1635. Zooming in on into the rainbow on that painting, we see that it's almost colourless. Why did Rubens do that? From his other paintings, we know that he was very capable of seeing all colours. He was a formidable colorist. He knew how to imitate and create all the colours he saw in the world around him. Then why did he create this bleak rainbow in this painting? Let's now look at this other painting, Landscape Study, Cottage and Rainbow, created between 1808 and 1816 by the well-known English Romantic painter John Constable. Here we find a rainbow with mainly red, white and purple-violet. Again, the painted colours badly represent the colours of the natural rainbow. John Constable was always trying to capture all details and colours that he saw in nature. So why did he ignore here all the other colours of the rainbow? Why didn't Rubens and Constable represent the rainbow with its most striking feature, which is the full colour spectrum? The natural rainbow certainly looked exactly the same at any time period throughout history, because the laws of physics did not change. And pigment fading may have occurred in some colours, in some paintings, but it offers no good explanation either. Constable painted many yellows and blues elsewhere in the same painting, but not in the rainbow. Rubens' painting shows many reds, blues and greens throughout the painting, but not in the rainbow. This is where we came in. Eric Kirchner and Phil Koken. We wanted to solve the art mystery of the wrong rainbow colours, so we analysed 115 different artworks with rainbows. For 72 paintings with rainbows, dating from the Renaissance period up to the 20th century, we collected digital photographs that were made available by the world's leading art museums and that have embedded colour profile according to international standards. This enabled us to do the first systematic, quantitative investigation of the colours that artists used when representing rainbows. We also investigated artworks dating from antiquity up to the medieval period, collecting 43 mosaics, manuscripts and paintings with a representation of the rainbow. Our results show that painted rainbows hardly ever followed contemporary colour theories. For example, according to Aristotle, the rainbow consists of only 3 colours: red, green and purple-violet. Aristotle's theory dominated colour science until the early 18th century. But throughout that period, painters did not use Aristotle's colours when painting rainbows. We find that also later artists, when painting rainbows, did not follow colour theories. Many painters were probably unfamiliar to contemporary colour theories. A very small part of painters followed the colour ideas from Aguilon in 1613, who described 3 simple primary colours, yellow, red and blue, as well as 3 compound secondary colours, green, purple and gold-orange. Rubens knew of this theory, but he did not apply it in the painted rainbow that we just saw. Our investigation shows that also the scientific breakthroughs in science that came with Newton in 1704 and with Goethe in 1810 left no traces in artistic rainbows. For example, Constable was eager to know what science could tell about colour, and he knew about the colour order that Newton mentions for the rainbow, but he preferred not to create these colours when painting a rainbow. Probably just like Rubens and Constable, artists throughout history thought that colour theories were not relevant or too complicated to be used in paintings. As a result, almost all painted rainbows do not follow contemporary colour theories. Time and again, painters seem to have selected colours based on individual choices, escaping any historical trend. If you want to read more about artistic colours in painted rainbows, please read our article or drop us a message.